Hello guys, in this lesson we will see the similarity between the JSON and XML as well as the difference between both of them. Let's start with the similarity between both of them. JSON and XML both are the human readable format. Both are written in the form of text. Therefore, they can be easily understood by the human. Both are used by the many programming languages. Therefore, they are the language independent. XML and JSON both are the designed for describing the different kind of hierarchical data structure and facilitate their transportation. Okay, now moving to the difference between both of them. XML is more verbose than the JSON, so it is faster to write the JSON compared to XML. XML does not include the array where JSON includes the array. JSON does not support the comments while XML support the comments. Comment is an important feature of the programming language, but JSON does not support it. JSON does not support the namespaces while XML support the namespaces. JSON use the JSON.parse or eval method for parsing, while XML use the DOM document object model. Let's see those different through the example. In this example, both JSON and XML represent the same data, but there is a difference in terms of the syntax. In XML, each element is enclosed with the starting and ending elements, while in the JSON, we need to use key only. Therefore, XML is very verbose, but JSON is lightweight.